Hello boys and girls, let's do some math. Alright, so we are continuing with our work with subtraction. You guys are doing really well. Keep working hard. We're almost through it. Alright, so we're going to start off with a couple friends. HR Rough and Stuff. Hello boys and girls. And Barry Allen. Hello boys and girls. And we're going to do some subtraction with our friends here. So, if I have two superheroes and I take two superheroes away, how many superheroes do we have now? Right? We just took them all away, so we have no superheroes. We have none. Right? Now, alright guys, come on back. Now, if we have two superheroes and we don't take any superheroes away, so 2 minus 0. Okay, let's take 0 away. Alright, how many do we have left? We still have 2, right? Because if you don't take anything away, nothing changes. Nothing changes. Alright, well, thank you guys for helping us out right off the bat. I think it was a surprise to have some superheroes show up right away. Oh, that was wonderful. Alright. Yes, I always like to come help out. I like to help everyone. Hey, Barry Allen, how's that sock hunting going? Oh, it's very tough. I don't know how it happens, but those socks always disappear from the dryer. But today, HR is going to help me. Yes, we're on the job. We are here to save the day, Mr. Tape. Alright, well, I won't hold you guys up anymore. Go ahead and go save the day. Save those socks. And they're gone. In a flash, I might add. Now, let's continue on with some more of our math. So we just did a couple examples with our friends, our superheroes, HR and Barry. And we did 2 minus 2 equals, if I have 2 and I take 2 away, I'm taking them all away, I'm left with none, right? And the other one that we did was if we had 2 superheroes and none of them went away, we still have 2. We're still left with that first number. Just like that. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Right? Okay. So let's get into some more challenging problems. So you'll need something to write with and something to write on. We're going to do a couple problems, and then I'm going to give you a couple problems to work on, and I will upload a worksheet for you to get some more practice on, and you can always practice your 1-minute math all the time. Now, one of the things we have to remember is sometimes, like right now we're going to be working on subtraction, but the 1-minute math, addition, right? So we always have to look for the sign. You always have to look for the sign, because I'm not always going to be around to be like, to tell you, oh, it's subtraction, oh, it's addition. It's going to be up to you to identify that. All right, let's compare some numbers. Why don't we take a number like 8, and let's compare it to 5. All right, what strategy are you going to use for 8 minus 5? What is your strategy? So I'm going to start off with dots. Now you can do whatever strategy you want and see if you get the same answer as me. Okay, 8 minus 5. Let me get these 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. We're going to take away 5. So we're comparing these two numbers to find the difference, right? So let's circle these 5. They're grouped nicely. And we have 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Did you get 3? Okay. I know you guys are doing really well with this. And keep up all your hard work, okay? Your hard work is really going to pay off. Alright, how about 10 minus 7? Ooh, that's a big one. Can you guys do that one on your own? Okay. And if you need to pause, if you need more time, go ahead and pause at any point. So I'm going to use our cubes this time. And here are our cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, 10 cubes, we're going to take 7 Oh, Did someone say cubes? No. We're not using cubes today, Bigsby. Are you sure, Mr. T? Well, not right now. Right now, maybe a little bit later. Okay. I can smell them. They taste very good. Okay. So, we have our 10 cubes. As I was saying, that today's a great day, isn't it, boys and girls? It's wonderful. No cubes? No. Okay. So, 10 cubes. We're going to take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. And we're left with 1, 2, 3. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. Did you get 3? So the difference between 10 and 7 is 3. Alright, next up we'll try, or I'm going to do a problem using the number line. Remember, you can use whatever ones you like. Alright, let's do, let's take 10 again. Let's take 10 again. And this time, we're going to take 8 away. 10 minus 8. So we're comparing 10 and 8 to see what the difference is between them. This time, I'm going to use the number line. So it's 10 minus 8. First thing we want to do is find our 10. There's a lot of numbers on the number line. We want to make sure we start at the right place, because if we start at the wrong place, it's going to mess everything up for us and it's going to throw us off. So make sure we find our 10. There we go. There's 10. Now this one has a lot of jumps that we have to make. We have to make 8 jumps. And remember, we don't start counting until we've landed our first jump, and then we start counting each jump. So let's start at 10 and jump 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where do we end up? Right here at 2. Right here at 2. Now, why did I go this way when I started jumping? Why would I do that? Because it's subtraction. We're getting smaller, right? We're getting smaller when we subtract. So that's why I go this way. I go towards the 0 when we subtract. Alright? So there's the number line. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. Alright, so let me give you a couple problems to do on your own. And then I will make sure to put up a worksheet with a few more problems. But while we have your paper out right now, we might as well use up more of it with some math. So we're going to start off with a couple problems that I think will be fun. But it's math, right? So it's all fun. And we're learning new things. We get to use cubes and number lines and draw dots. It seems like it's a lot of fun to me. Okay, we have, I'm going to put 8 on here if that's alright, if you don't mind. Oh yeah, these are going to be good. These will be good. Okay, here are our 6 problems for now. We have 8 minus 4, 6 minus 3, 9 minus 5, 7 minus 1, 10 minus 0, and 9 minus 7. Okay, very nice. And I want you to have fun with that. It's math, it's subtraction, and we're getting very close to moving on to something else. Cubes? You're going to move on to cubes? No, Bigsby, we're not going to use the cubes right now. I'm going to be back for those cubes. Okay, all right. They're delicious. Yeah, I know. They're great. I'm just really hungry, Mr. T. That's all. Okay, it's all right, Bigsby. Bye, boys and girls. And there goes Bigsby. He's very hungry for those cubes, apparently. Maybe I'll find some extra to give to him. All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.